And then we're going to make this in a mission. It's down here. See what this looks like once it's been rendered. I kind of want some more shine on this table as well, so I'm just going to go ahead into the materials property and just turn down the roughness. Maybe just turn up the metallic just slightly. Oh no, actually, I can keep the metallic the way that it is. And then I'm going to make another one of these. Just come over to the side. And I'm going to change the colour of this, so edit mode, I'm going to go plus, new, then you want to press A to select everything, oops. So just select your sides, your faces and stuff, assign it to the new one, go with the mission, then maybe make this a blue, and just turn it up a bit. And there we have it, there's the table.